Check in the text below, and also in the comments I'll provide a link on how you can purchase this product or one similar. It helps me out a little bit if you use that link. Thanks a bunch. Kim Townsel here. Do you ever just get tired of your laundry detergent and you want to smell something different, look at something different, use a different product? I use Tide Pods and Gain Pods, and they're okay, but I just thought I want to smell something different for a while. So I ordered this, the Arm & Hammer 5-in-1 plus long-lasting freshness, and I'm going to try this with my laundry for a while and see how it works. The line to notch. Push down, slide open. Alrighty, so this is how they look. There's no smell through the package. Regular or lightly soiled 1 pack. Large or heavily soiled 2 packs. Undoing sheets. I'm going to put 2 packs in there. Two. So I always start a little water before I add my detergent and let it dissolve a little bit before I add my clothes. Seems to dissolve quite well. So I'm adding my pillowcases. Sheets and fitted sheets. I'm washing on super high water level because this machine is not like water. It doesn't like to put water on my machine. I'm putting on a heavy load and I'm washing my sheets in hot water. My sheets don't get too dirty, so it's going to be difficult to tell about the cleaning power of these. They don't smell. I really can't smell a fresh, clean scent. They just smell really neutral. And it's supposed to be plus long-lasting freshness. Not really smelling anything. I didn't put any kind of additive in, but I am going to have to put a Gain fabric softener in. And honestly, I'm thinking any aroma I get from these is going to be from the Gain. I hate to put them in the dryer with no fabric softener. I think I will, just for a little while. And then if there's any static in there, I'll add the Gain to it. So let's do that. In the dryer with no fabric softener to see if the dryer will activate this aroma. No, not really. I'm not getting this freshness. They smell like nothing. Let's check the clothes. Again, absolutely no aroma. There's like no aroma at all. I can't wash my clothes without a fabric softener. So I'm going to have to put like a Gain in here. So I'm going to get the aroma from the Gain, not from the Arm & Hammer Clean Burst. And I don't really even smell anything at all. I put 1 Gain dryer sheet in there, and there's just really no aroma. Disappointed so far. I did a lot of lights, and still I think they're clean. My clothes just don't get that dirty. But there's nice aroma. Thanks for watching my video review of the Arm & Hammer Clean Burst 5-in-1 Plus Long-Lasting Freshness Laundry Pods. It's free to give the video a thumbs up. It's free to leave a positive comment. It's free to leave a negative comment. Free to share this video if appropriate. And if you have time, watch some more videos before you go. It helps me out. And look in the text below. I'll provide a link on how you can get this if you want to try some of this out for your laundry. And until we meet again, as I frequently say, let's just help each other solve problems and make the world a cleaner, happier place. Thanks so much.